इंडिया इंडिया। जी हाँ, 19 जनवरी 2021 के दिन पूरे भारत में ये नारे गूंज रहे थे और रीजन भी कुछ खास था। वी ऑल विटनेस दैट हिस्टोरिक मोमेंट। और जाहिर सी बात है कि आज हम इसी मैच और इसी श्रृंखला के बारे में आपसे बात करने यहाँ आए हैं। जी हाँ, आई एम मयूरेश पानसरे एंड वेलकम यू ऑल फॉर अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ क्रिकेट्स विद मयूरेश, जहाँ पे हम क्रिकेट की दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है उसकी बातें करते हैं। एंड टुडे वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू शो यू व्हाट इज ऑन द शो दिस वीक। क्यों? अरे सिंपल सी बात है, पूरे क्रिकेट की दुनिया में इस वक्त बस एक ही बात चल रही है, एंड दैट इज हाउ दिस ब्रेव इंडियन टीम डिफीटेड द माइटी ऑस्ट्रेलियंस एट देयर होम, एंड दैट टू व्हेन half of their main team was sitting on the bench owing to some injuries. We all saw how the cricket experts all over the globe had written off this Indian team after that first test in Adelaide, but this brave Indian team never succumbed to that pressure. They kept toiling hard, they kept finding their way, they kept the patience and showed the whole world and those experts the real meaning of this dialogue. Powerful people come from powerful places. जी हाँ, although India never looked like the powerful team before entering into the last, and which was the real deciding test of the series, with all their key players like Virat Kohli, Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami, and Ravindra Jadeja, and many others not being able to take the field. Even if India would have drawn the match and series, they would have definitely retained the Border Gavaskar Trophy. But as they say, ये नया इंडिया है और दुश्मन के घर में घुस के उसे मारना जानता है, एंड दिस टीम इज अ परफेक्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट. Yes, if we combine all the bowlers and count the number of matches they had played before this one, the number was well under 10. However, the most senior bowler was Mohammad Siraj, who had just played 2 games before entering into the match, and still this team believed in themselves, kept working hard, and took 20 wickets of opposition on what was touted to be their fort for the last 32 years. Yes, Gabba was a place where Australia had not lost a single game in the last 32 years. The fort was finally breached by a team who has been completely written off by the experts. Yes, Team India not only won the match or series that day, this win helped them climb to the top of the World Test Championship points table as well. जी हाँ, अभी हम वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप के टेबल में भी सबसे ऊपर जाके बैठे हैं. And although bowlers took those 20 wickets, the target on the last day of the series was not that easy one. India were given a task of scoring more than 300 runs in a single and last day of the test match, and our players happily accepted that. Although Rohit Sharma departed very early, his partner Shubman Gill made sure Australia will never be on top of India, and he kept tickling the scoreboard. On the other side, we had the new wall of Indian cricket, Cheteshwar Pujara doing what he is known for. Pujara kept defending, kept tiring the Aussie attack. He even scored just 8 runs of first 90 odd balls and stopped the Aussies from running through the Indian batting lineup. Team Payne and the company used every arsenal they had in their kitty, but our new wall, Mr. Cheteshwar Pujara, had the answers for all those. अगर लाइफ में किसी को पेशेंस और डिटर्मिनेशन का असली मीनिंग समझना हो तो पुजारा की ये इनिंग्स और थर्ड टेस्ट में विहारी और अश्विन की पार्टनरशिप जरूर देखनी चाहिए. When Aussie bowlers came to know that Pujara is not going to give his wicket, they started throwing the ball at his body. He was being brutally hurt, taking all those weapons, all those fierce deliveries on his body, but remained unflinching with his task, and only that gave our team an opportunity to go for the target in the last session. And how can we forget those 2 innings, one which gave India a solid start in the second innings, and one which made sure India will lift the Border Gavaskar Trophy again. Those innings by Shubman Gill and Rishabh Pant, the 2 young guns of Indian cricket, showed the whole world that they need to be wary of India's next generation as well. And not only these 2, but also the other 3 newcomers in the side, Mohammad Siraj, Shardul Thakur, and Washington Sundar, also showed what they are capable of. And so, right after the test series got over, they received their reward by getting their names into the next England series as well. And which we talked about all the heroes by our team, it is time to talk about the main man. Yes, a person who made all this happen, who stepped up and took this responsibility with a smile on his face, perhaps during the most difficult times. Yes, Ajinkya Rahane stepped into the shoes of his captain after the first Adelaide test. The same test wherein India was being bowled out for mere 36. But he didn't back from the responsibility he was been given. He believed in his teammates and their abilities, backed his players, and pulled off something which was looking just impossible after that first test. Many people even cannot dream of what Rahane has achieved in his limited outing as captain. He surely deserves the biggest of accolades for all that he has done for Team India. And before we wrap, let us not forget the contribution these two persons doing from behind the scenes. First, the legend of Indian cricket, Rahul Dravid, who has trained and groomed all these young talents like Gill and Pant back home in India. And secondly, a person who is always been trolled for India's losses but never gets the much deserved praise when the team performs so well. The ex-Indian cricketer, ex-commentator and now the head coach of Team India, Ravi Shastri, has a big role to play as far as India's overseas record is concerned. Remember, he is the first Indian coach under whom Team India won 2 consecutive test series in Australia. Ravi Shastri, for his bold and fearless attitude, also deserves the biggest of accolades. Alright, this video is looking like a Thanksgiving speech, na? But it's not only me who is thanking and praising this Indian team and the management. Even the biggest names from different fields also cannot stop themselves from showing their love and respect for the Team India. And here are some of those you can have a look at. So this surely tells how big this victory is, and we definitely would need a bit of time to process this. Ji haan, we have close to 15 days for India's next series, and so let us take a breather and enjoy this win. This is Mayuresh Pansare signing off for the time being, and we will meet you during India's next series against England. Till then, bye-bye, and just keep celebrating this victory because these victories don't come so often. Thank you, bye-bye, and have a great week ahead.